Click on the link below to get discount. The Samsung QN55LS03FAFXZA 55-inch The Frame QLED 4K television is a remarkable fusion of art and technology that redefines the viewing experience. Upon unboxing, the first thing that stands out is its sleek design, which allows the TV to blend seamlessly into any living space. When in art mode, it transforms from a standard television into a stunning piece of artwork, showcasing a wide array of customizable images and art pieces. This feature is not just a gimmick, it elegantly solves the problem of an empty wall when the TV is turned off. Picture quality is where the QLED technology truly shines. The 4K resolution delivers breathtaking clarity, with vibrant colors and deep contrasts that make any content, from movies to video games, look spectacular. The Quantum HDR feature enhances the viewing experience even further by providing a deeper range of colors, while the Vision AI optimizes picture settings based on the content being displayed. Whether you are watching a nature documentary or a high-octane action film, the visuals are stunningly immersive. Another commendable aspect is the user-friendly interface and smart features. The TV runs on Tizen OS, which is snappy and straightforward. Streaming apps load quickly, and the remote control is intuitive, making navigation effortless. Voice control is supported, which adds an additional layer of convenience. One minor downside is the price point. It is definitely an investment. However, considering the dual functionality as both a TV and a piece of art, many may find it worth the expense. Additionally, the frame can be customized with interchangeable bezels, allowing for personal expression. In conclusion, the Samsung QN55LS03FAFXZA 55-inch The Frame QLED 4K TV is an exceptional product that combines aesthetic appeal with cutting-edge technology. It is perfect for those who appreciate art and desire a high-quality viewing experience without compromising on style. For anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup, this TV is a phenomenal choice.